Welcome back to Extra Medium. In this episode, I'll be going to a RideSmart track day at Hallett Motor Racing Circuit. Now, before we go, I do kind of want to get some spray paint on the bike in stripes because it matches my truck. Also, we'll put some red on there as well. Now, this is not a professional paint job, but nothing on this bike is professional, so it's just the best I can do with what I have. And I think you're used to seeing that. So on this trip to the track, I'll be taking two bikes. I'll be taking the Speed Triple to deliver it to someone so he can work on it. You need to get this sucker cleaned up. It's been in the backyard under a tarp all winter. So the night before, I load up both bikes onto the trailer and get everything ready for the drive over to Oklahoma. It was a beautiful morning, and look, there's the happiest sign in the world. Immediately after I get the bike unloaded, I take it down to the tech inspection. Just finished our tech. So with RideSmart, when you sign up, you'll get a sticker, and then once you pass tech, you'll get tech initials there. Then as the day progresses, you'll get those little bubbles filled in as well. And that lets them know when you go to the grid that you completed the last part of the last required part, and you're good to go. RideSmart is a motorcycle rider school, not a track day organization. They strive to get you on the track and to teach you the skills required to become a faster, more comfortable, and more confident rider, no matter your skill set. After our riders meeting, I put my warmers on and then get right up to class. In the classroom, the instructors and associates are professionals to the highest degree. Their goal is to maintain a strict safety regimen in regards to you, the student. First session of the day, we'll go out and we'll play round robin. So we'll be in a single file line following the instructor in small groups, and then we'll pass backward and then follow the instructor one-on-one. This is an informative lab or session, and about to go out. After every session, you'll add a different number to your number circle, letting them know that you completed that class. During one of the sessions, Reed's bike had a mechanical malfunction on the shifting linkage. So it just broke?
I don't think it broke. I don't know how that happens.
Didn't have it, but I straightened it out. Let's see if the threads hold. As long as the threads get in there, and I can get up to the threads that were not bent. Kind of iffy. I feel like I need it. I'm not sure if it's going to be enough. One side. Now this is a nylon nut. So you remember in one of my very first few episodes, I showed you the rear sets that I made, and I told you I always keep the spares. Well, this is a good reason why. I bring these spares with me. They're all the same both sides. And look, here's the washer that I need. So after sitting out a session working on it, we got the RC51 running and ready. Time to go. So this session was the last session on my old DOT nasty tires that I had on the race bike. I decided I will finally put the slicks on and see how they feel. Okay, so got the front on and then had some help. The guys lifted it up and just changed it out NASCAR style. We got the rear on, so we are good to go with the slicks. First run. Tire warmers are on, waiting for the next session. Now keep in mind, in my 20 years of motorcycle riding, I have never had brand new tires. I've never tracked brand new tires. They've always been takeoffs or just what was on the bike when I bought it. So this was definitely a unique experience. I was dead scared that they were gonna slip, but they were nice, warm, gummy as all get out. It was fantastic. After that, another class session. And these happen between every session. back on the track. Now I want to say thanks to a few friends that helped me get this Insta360. This is so much better than the camera that I was using, the dash cam that I was using. This one has sound too. So for the rest of the video, I'm just going to give you an uncut, my lapping session on the Triumph Ninja 250. Keep in mind, I'm a slow, so don't judge, but enjoy. Thanks for watching. Link to RideSmart Motorcycle School is in the description, and I'll see you next time.